Welcome to Kotlin Syntax Basics. In this lesson, you'll learn about the fundamental structure and rules of Kotlin code, including how semicolons work, how whitespace is handled, and the overall structure of Kotlin programs. One of the first things you'll notice about Kotlin is that semicolons are optional. Unlike languages like Java or C++, where semicolons are required at the end of each statement, Kotlin's compiler is smart enough to automatically figure out where statements end. This makes your code cleaner and easier to read. Let's look at some examples. On the left, you see code written without semicolons, which is the preferred style in Kotlin. We declare a variable called name with the value Kotlin and then print it. On the right, the same code is shown with semicolons. While this is valid Kotlin code, it's uncommon and not considered idiomatic. Most Kotlin developers avoid using semicolons unless absolutely necessary. There is one situation where semicolons are required. If you want to write multiple statements on the same line, you must separate them with semicolons. Here, we declare x equals 5, then y equals 10, and finally print their sum, all on one line. The semicolons tell the compiler where each statement ends. However, writing multiple statements on one line is generally discouraged for readability reasons. Kotlin is whitespace-insensitive, which means the compiler doesn't care how you use spaces, tabs, or newlines in your code. You have complete flexibility in how you format your code. However, proper use of whitespace is crucial for making your code readable and maintainable. Think of whitespace as a tool for organizing your code visually. Here are two versions of the same function. The compact style on the left has minimal spacing and no indentation. While this is technically valid, it's hard to read. The readable style on the right uses proper spacing after colons, around parentheses, and includes indentation inside the function body. This second version is much easier to understand and is the standard way to write Kotlin code. Let's look at a basic Kotlin program structure. Every Kotlin program starts with a main function, which is the entry point. Inside the function body, we can declare variables and execute statements. Here, we declare an immutable variable age with val, a mutable variable score with var, and then print their sum. Notice the clean structure with proper indentation and spacing. To recap, semicolons are optional in Kotlin for most cases. They're only required when you put multiple statements on the same line. Whitespace is flexible, meaning you can format your code however you like, but using it properly makes your code much more readable. Finally, always follow consistent formatting conventions. This makes your code professional and easier for others to understand. With these syntax basics mastered, you're ready to write clean, idiomatic Kotlin code.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.